everybody, my name's Brandon. We're here to unbox Mortal Kombat Collector's Edition. So here it is. Show you a few of the things. It's got the game, it's got the art, it's got the Scorpion bookend, and then back behind here it's got the Sub-Zero bookend. That's why we're opening it, so we can see that. So here we go. Plastic off here. Back of the box, that's kind of cool. Alright, I'm going to start going through there. There's the game. We've got some PSN Avatar stuff. We've got Ermac alternate costume. We've got Melina alternate costume. That's a Walmart exclusive. And then here we have the Art of Mortal Kombat hardback. So just got some different stuff in here, kind of showing you how the game came together, making of the levels, things like that. Kind of cool. Okay, now what everybody's been waiting for. The bookends. These are hand molded, really highly detailed. Here's Sub-Zero. It's pretty sweet. It's got the skulls down here. Pretty detailed with the harpoon coming through him. So this kind of gives the illusion that Scorpion has just killed Sub-Zero through the brick wall, through all your games or books or however you want to set that up. So it's pretty sweet. We're going to come over here and set it up. So there's that. And I forgot the Mortal Kombat game, but that's alright. So, you know, holds a few of your games. Pretty high quality, you know. They're hard plastic, they look real good. So there you have it, Mortal Kombat Collector's Edition. Thanks for watching, guys.